Burnt food stuck to a pan can be very difficult to remove. Scrubbing it right away usually takes a lot of effort and can even damage the surface of the pan. Fortunately, there is a simple method that helps loosen the burnt residue so it can be cleaned much more easily. Start by filling the pan about halfway with water. Then add a few drops of regular dish soap. The soap helps break down grease and loosen the food that has stuck to the surface. Next, place the pan on the stove and heat the water until it begins to boil. The heat helps soften the burnt residue and lift it away from the pan. Carefully pour the hot water down the sink and run the tap over the pan to cool it down quickly. This step makes the pan safe to handle while the loosened residue remains on the surface. After that, begin scrubbing the pan. If your pan is made of enamel, anodized aluminum, or has a non-stick coating such as Teflon, use a soft sponge or a nylon brush. These materials are gentle and help avoid scratching the surface. If the pan is stainless steel, copper, or non-anodized aluminum, you can use a stronger scrubbing tool such as a scouring pad or copper wool to remove any remaining burnt food. If you still notice stains, this is where another simple method works very well. Add a small amount of white distilled vinegar to the pan and bring it to a boil. After boiling, pour the vinegar out and scrub the pan again. This vinegar step is especially helpful for aluminum pans that develop a bluish discoloration on the bottom. Boiling vinegar helps break down that oxidation and can restore a more natural metallic appearance while also removing stubborn stains. Using these simple steps can make cleaning a burnt pan much easier and help keep your cookware looking better for longer.